All right, what is up, guys? Evan Aldo here. So in the exclusive Discord, been doing really well with the swing Bitcoin and Ethereum longs. Took some more profits off the spider line a little while ago, a few hours ago this morning. And the next places I'm looking to take profits are around these levels. If you want to check that out, link in the description below. Some of my trade entries, all that type of stuff. It does look like there's a good shot we will have a general trend reversal right now. Your weekly, let's do a top-down analysis. Your weekly is coming up with the VWAP. This is going to print a bottom probably mid-February, late February, the latest. I think it's going to happen sooner rather than later. And this main spider line right here, this is the big point. We wicked down below it, but we reclaimed that quickly. And we had our nice bounce. So that's good. That's bullish. Also, if you look at funding fees, more people are shorting right now. Finally, the degenerate longs have kind of given up, so that's another clue that we may be having a trend reversal. And these things happen quickly, guys, so don't be asleep. Do not be asleep when it happens. Not saying we can't, retest this trend line or whatever, 35, 34K or something. Wouldn't surprise me, but RSI is very low in these time frames. This looks similar to how it kind of looked over here in terms of a trend reversal on your 3-day. Your 2-day is also going to get a nice divergence right here. If you guys are new to Market Cipher, this is how you do a divergence. So you draw a trend line from here to here. So see here to here, this momentum wave over here is a little bit higher than this one. And you're going to go from here to here, where we are right now, and price is lower than it was here. So that's a major divergence, which is very interesting, a major bullish sign that doesn't come up too often. Also, if we look at some of our lower time frames here, RSI is curving up on the 12-hour. That's pretty big. Usually when they curve up, it didn't work here. Well, it worked a little bit. You came up a little bit. But I think this next one, this could has potential to bring us into the green and work a lot more. Onto your 6-hour. Your VWAP is coming down, so you may have, that's why I've been talking about possibly adding to the position around here if we do come down, correct a little bit. But once you start turning bullish after you've been bearish for a while, you got to be careful. Don't be asleep. Things happen quickly. It depends, though. It depends. I'm not saying it's automatically we're just going to pump up to 42 or 50K real quick, but we have the potential. See this money flow crossover in the 3-hour. If it does this same correction here, so we were corrected on this money flow crossover about 21%. So if we just pump up from this one, from here to here, 21%, it would bring us right at this 618 fib level at 44K. So we could end up there. And when would we end up there? Let's kind of measure it out here. Maybe something like this general area by the end of the month, beginning of February or something, and we could continue that trend into February. Keep in mind, February is normally a pretty good month for crypto. January usually isn't that great of a month for crypto. So if you go historically, sometimes you do get it right. If you look at the historical patterns. Money flow crossover in your 2-hour. So basically our divergence. I've been predicting we would cool off a little bit here, which is a good thing. You need to have little healthy cool-offs, and we could just continue, bounce off of here, just continue that place forward. So that's what I'm looking at. Cautious optimism. A lot of people have been talking about 20K, obviously. I don't think that's going to happen. Obviously, anything could happen, but I do not think we're going to see 20K. I think it's more likely than not we hit the bottom. A lot of the big whales, Elon Musk bought at low 30Ks, Carl Icahn too, they usually don't go negative too often. They usually get it right for the most part. So I don't see us really going too much below these levels. Also, a lot of people are shorting now. I think there could be a short squeeze. I'm very happy with the highly negative funding fees that I've been getting for these swing longs. So it seems like a great opportunity. Never financial advice, anything could happen. Ethereum's looking exactly the same. I've been drawing out, kind of where we could end up. It would be probably around, let's see, around a 30% increase for Ethereum from this area right here, the money flow crossover. 30%, about 3,200 I could see happening. When would that happen? By the end of the month. That's definitely possible. That is definitely in the cards. I'm not saying it's 100%, but I could definitely see that happening in the next week or so. Maybe by beginning of February. And then I think we'll continue forward. I think we will repeat. This is the pattern that I think will happen. We'll repeat this general kind of area that we had in July, and then maybe go up to 6K or whatever. I'm thinking, in not 7K, probably around here or something. and then crash down another 50%, and then we have our last leg up. That's why I've been speculating. There's another video I got, check it out on my channel, talking about that. It's kind of a pattern nobody's talking about, but these new 50%, more macro corrections as mainstream adoption gets bigger, more people talk about it, market caps get bigger. You're not going to have the same, just come up 40%, correct 50%, correct 40% or whatever, and then keep going, correct it just a quick, like how we had it back here. That's probably not going to, where you have these, that's what I'm talking about, these corrections, like 30%, then come right back, 30%, come right back, that type of thing. It's more spread out now, which is good and bad overall. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that update. Do not miss out on this. Leave a like. Check out my exclusive Discord below if you want to see some of my trades, entry points, stop losses, all that in the exclusive Discord through Patreon. Check out my trading course, 16% off, link in the description below. I think that'll help you out, guys out a lot. I talk about my strategies, how I interpret the markets, risk management, trading psychology, why I think the majority of people fail at this. I think it's going to help you guys out a lot. If you want to create a new BITGET account, want to create a new MEXC account, links in the description below. There's some good deals going on right now. Use my link. We both get a little bit of a kickback for it. And yeah, everything below are things that I personally use and benefit from. Never going to link you anything that I don't personally use. All right, guys, but goodbye.